Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for splitting Colpkg, anki Colpkg files to Apkg. So Colpkg is basically a collection of decks and it contains multiple decks. Apkg is just one single deck collection. So you can see on my computer I have a Colpkg file. I can double click to open it. This is Colpkg viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of Colpkg file, and you can see it has a multiple tables. So basically every table is a deck, and you can see all deck contains question and answer, and we have like a lot of them here. And so basically what I'm gonna do, I wanna split this Colpkg to every deck. So I will have Apkg into separate deck. It will be multiple files in here. Also, I can export a deck if I want to do from this viewer. I can save it any separate deck into file if I want to. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to split this collection of decks Colpkg file into single file. I'm going to do it with application from my website. As my website, I will leave a link on this site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type Colpkg. And click on this page, scroll down to Colpkg to Apkg, click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded. So I'll be recording more videos on anki converters, on converting from different anki formats into different into anki, and from anki to different formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. So you can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed to my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Let's close this, and this. And I'll double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will have to select Colpkg file. I will click on this button, then navigate to my Colpkg. I know it's my documents, so it's automatically open in my documents by default. So I will select this Colpkg, click open, click on next step. There are no conversion options here yet, so I'll just click next step, and to run conversion I'll click run. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna ask me where to put this Apkg files. So I will select my documents. I know there is an out folder, like empty folder. Let's navigate to it. So it's documents and folder called out. This is where all these anki files will be stored, Apkg files will be stored. So this is document out. And just make sure it's empty because it's gonna place a lot of files in there. So, and I will select the document out here, click OK, and it's saying converting, please wait. And it's saying here it's creating files, every Apkg file into this, and you can see it's adding files to folder. It's like 20 megabyte collection. It contains significant amount of files, but you can see it creates Apkg for every file, for every deck, separate deck. So if I want to send someone an Apkg file, I just attach this a specific Apkg and can send. And it will say when it's done, it will say all done, and you can see we can see the files. Also, I think we can take a look at the files, like separate files. if I click, I have an Apkg viewer. It's another app. It's also free, but it's showing what is inside of every Apkg file, and you can see it has just single deck. And I can also export into this and any format, and you can see it has this is the amount of records it has, and all thing. All right, we're still converting. It's like database fundamentals. So it's like 55 files already, 57. Yeah, and then converting is done. It will show you a report like what is done. And you can see it's saved into documents. So it's saying save this into this. So it's basically giving you a list of decks that it created. And you can see every deck is created separately. Now I can add this Apkg to Anki or send it to someone if I want to share it. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.